Dear students, let's begin our chapter number 14, topic in commercial arithmetic. Question method, your topic first is unitary method. Suppose let's understand with the one example this method. There are total student in a class is 20 and we want to distribute to each student one banana. So we require 20 banana. We went to a shop and we asked for a banana. So he said there is the 1 dozen banana cost is rupees 24 and we required 20. So 1 dozen means we know that 12 banana is the cost is rupees 24. So first of all we will find the cost of one banana with the help of this 12 and 24. So if you find to many to 1, so here we are finding many to 1 by dividing. So one banana cost if you want, so rupees 24 divided by 12. So here one banana is cost is 12 to the 24 rupees 2. Now we have to find the cost of 20 bananas. So if you find the cost of 20 banana, so here rupees 2 multiply by 20. Now we are going to 1 to many by multiplying. So now your cost is rupees 2 to the 4 and 0, 20 to 20 to the 40. So the cost of 20 banana is 40. Now here you can see with the help of this we are finding many to 1 and 1 to many. So the method of finding the value of one item and then finding the value of the required number of items, this method is called unitary methods. It's very simple. Now let's start your exercise to understand. Let's begin our exercise 14a. Question number first. If a ball pen costs rupees 56, find the cost of 18 such pens. So your cost of 24 ball pens is rupees 56. Now the cost of one ball pen is, we are finding many to 1 means you have to divide. So we will divide rupees 56 by 24 to find the cost of one ball pen. So we are dividing here 56, we are dividing by 24. If you divide 24 on the 24 to the 48. Now we will subtract 56 minus 48 is 8, 0. Now how many times is there? 2 times. Now we will put the decimal, we will increase the value, we will make 80 by putting 0 point. Now 24 we will read, so it's 3 times 72, nearest 80. So here you will get again 8 and it's 3 times. Again you will put 0, so you will get 72, you will get 8 again. So this process will you will solve, so you will get the same answer 80 like this and 3 like this. So here you will get the cost of one pen is rupees, the cost of one pen is rupees 2.33 and so on. I'm writing 2 times only, 2 decimal places, you can write 3, 4, 5. Now cost of 18 ball pens, we know that the cost of one ball pen, now we are finding 1 to many, so you have to multiply. Like the cost of one pen is 10 rupees, the cost of 5 pen is 50 rupees. So we are finding 1 to many, so we will multiply rupees 2.33 multiply by 18. I am multiplying here 2.33 by 18. 8 3s are 24, 2 carry over, 8 3 is 24 plus 2 26, again 2, 8 2 is 16, 16 plus 2 18. Now cut 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and 2 1s are 2. So here 4 9, 8 plus 3 11, carry over 1, this 3 plus 1 4. Now put the decimal 1 2 1 2. So you will get the cost of 18 ball pens is 41.94. If you round off the nearest to whole number, so approximately you will get 42 rupees, because 94, so it's nearest to 1 rupees 95 paisa is 94 paisa is nearest to 1 rupees. 1 rupees will add here, 41 plus 1 42. The cost of 18 ball pen is 42. First of all, we have to find here the cost of one item. Then with the help of one item, we will find the required number of item. Question number 2. Question 4. If 5 shaving blades cost rupees 6.25, find the cost of 12 blades. So first you will find many to 1. Cost of 5 blades is 6.25. Cost of one shaving blade is rupees 6.25 divided by 5. If you divide it, so you now divide here, 6.25 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5, you will get 1. Now bring down 2, 5 2s are 10, you will get 2. Bring down 5, here 5 5s are 25. Now you will get decimal place 1 2 1 2. So rupees 1.25, this is the cost of one shaving blade. Now we will find cost of 12 shaving blades, 1 to many, so we will multiply rupees 1.25 by 12. I am multiplying here 1.25 by 12. If you multiply 0, 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5, 2 1s are 2, 5 2 1. Now add 0 0, carry over 1, 2 plus 2 4, 1 5 and here 1. So now decimal place 1 2 1 2. So this is rupees 15. The cost of 12 shaving blade is rupees 15. Question number 3. Question number next is question number 8. If 2 dozen notebooks cost rupees 288, find the cost of 1 score of notebooks. Here 1 dozen, first of all learn it. 1 dozen is 24. Oh sorry, it is 12. And 2 dozen is 24. And the score, 1 score is equals to 20 items. So 1 score banana means 20 bananas. So here the cost is given 2 dozen. 2 dozen note book is rupees 288. We will find the cost of one notebook. Cost of one notebook is rupees 288 divided by 24. If you divide by 24, now I am dividing here 288, 24 ones are 24. If you subtract 4 and then 0, bring down 8, 24 2s are 48, 0 0. So rupees 12. So one notebook cost is rupees 12. Now we will find the cost of one score notebook. Cost of one score notebook. One score means 20 and we have to multiply by rupees 12. So 20, 12 2s are 24 and then 0. This is the cost of one score notebook. This is 240.